garden stake, steel. Perfect weld. What I've been doing is cutting pieces off. I've been welding it to that. But I'm not really a welder, so you get what you get. Perfect. So we're gonna do that on the outside here. Yeah. So. Hiya. Don't know what I'm doing, but I try. Looks professional to me. Sure. Works. Just how perfect they are. Yeah, that's a good one. I'm learning. That's a nice one. That's our first starters. But we're getting there. Learning on the way. I'll do a couple more, then I should be done with that side. Here we are. We got 4. 1, 2, 3, 5 done. Just did that one. Freaking perfect. Because I'm not a professional, so it looks perfect to me. So I got 6 of them. I just ran out of wire on my last one. Usually I do the backs too. Make it more solid. So usually I weld it right there. But I just ran out on the last one, so I'll have to get some wire. So here we are. Got 6 welded in. Put the new wire in. Yep. Now we're gonna put some boards down, make some drag out of that. Put some, we'll see. I don't know yet. Might do some bolts, screws, just to kind of roughen the ground up. We'll see. Try and put it together in my head right now. So this is our new event. We got 12-inch nails. 97 cents a piece, so it's a pretty easy deal. Try to scrape up the ground. But my idea is just go like that. I'm gonna hammer them through and it should be easy. I got that as a grade. I'll probably do another row, but that's a pretty cheap expense. I mean, I got $7 in those for just one of those long steel things, and then these nails, 12-inch nails, are only 97 cents. So it's been a pretty cheap project so far. Because this bed rail I got for free, it was outside of trash. The wood I already had. So right now we're not spending too much trying to build one. Yep. There we are, we got 1 pounded in. So I pre-drill it out so that it ain't so much work, but it shouldn't be too bad. I'm doing 12. So see how that looks. Just kind of pre-drill them out so the wood don't split. Yep, that's how it went on most of them. There it is. 12 large nails. So I might do another row, I'm not sure yet. I mean, it's cheap enough. I mean, I have the wood. So, plus I'm gonna put another block here anyways for weight. But that's it for right now. We're gonna keep going. So here we are. I got 24 nails total. I got the 12 inch ones. And I went and got 12 10-inch. So we're gonna try that. See how strong they are to rip up ground. I mean, it's only 24 bucks I got. Plus those, I bought the whole thing for like $7 and I welded them on for more extra drag. But that's it right now. I might shorten this bed rail up, but we're gonna try that. I'm gonna take the wheels off that because they are sitting up a little higher, but I'll cut it off so it drags too. So this right here would be the easy way to build a drag. You know, get some wood and an old frame. Easy way, it's light. What you do is just put some blocks on here, cinder blocks for weight, and drag it. I'll have to make a part 2 of this because I'm not going to the woods right now. So, but that'd be easy way. Get some nails, some metal, easy way. Weld it, some good boards, and some weight. Add a rope, drag it behind a four-wheeler, anything, lawnmower. But I'll make a part 2 of that, me using it through the woods. Alright, thanks for watching and God bless.